Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, yesterday, right, we did analysis for today. We talked about GBP giving us a bullish move. Guess what? We actually had a bullish move. At first, GBP actually went bullish. I think he actually gave us about 34 bullish move upward. Well, the price ended up dropping, so we are actually on a bearish move. Well, the reason is that price is actually testing this level. If you go to the forward time frame, you will see that this price was once ranging. This place was once a ranging market move. We can see that price will come to hit our resistance level. Then we would get a drop down to our support level, and again a movement to our resistance level, and again down to our support level. So basically, price has been giving us a ranging market move. You can see it's a back and forth movement within this level. So eventually price gave us a breakout, which means price broke out of the resistance level. Of course, we expect a pullback to play out, and you can see pullback has played out, and now price is now pushing up. So basically on the forward time frame, there's kind of like a bullish move around this level. By the way, the market is yet to close, so it has not closed. By the time the market would have closed, at least the price should move higher than that. So anyway, we should watch out for that. But to be able to predict this price for the next day, well, I think it will be a bit complicated because there will be a major news that will be released tomorrow, and that news will actually can change the direction of this price. But I think personally, I'm not trying to say this is what will happen, but personally, with what I think will happen is that the news will come out positive, which will come out where once it comes out where then I think this GBP to USD should actually give us that drop. So I would want to see something like on the forward time frame, like a drop. I would want to see this to be a pullback, then a new drop. Right, you can see this drop self even broke this previous lows. So let's see if this pullback will be over. If it moves further up, then we should see it be over and we should drop. Well, I think the news will come out positive. Thereby, any other peers will be trading to that USD should give us a drop. So that is what I'll be watching out for. But before the news will be released, right, it will be released in New York section. So maybe once before the news will be released, maybe during the London section, price should move up. Should move up. Basically, there won't be a lot of traders to actually take this trade because people don't really know what is going to come out. You can also see for today. You can see this huge candlestick wick here. Even the movement for yesterday, no much movement compared to the one that we had 3 days ago. You can see it here. You can see this huge massive move here. There was about 100 plus pips. Even on Friday, markets closed on Friday. We actually had a huge massive bullish move. On Monday, we actually had good massive movement. But on Tuesday, price kind of fade, not really giving us that much movement. And today you can see the movement. So a lot of traders were actually waiting for the news. So we will want to watch out for the news. So this is what I want you guys to watch out for. Let's see what the news will come out. Then we will know the direction of our trade.